Exporting our artwork from Adobe Illustrator is fairly simple. We have a combination of vector and raster bitmap artwork in this file. I'm going to turn on my transparency grid to give you visual context of the garment color the print will be pressed on. The transparency checkerboard settings are changed to solid black to match the target garment color. We want to preserve the edges of the vector objects, as well as prevent blurring of our raster-based bitmap objects. This will prevent any sort of underbase halo from happening. First, we are going to select our artwork. Then we are going to switch over to the Artboard tool. Next, with the object selection active, you'll go to the context menu just below the main menu, use the Now Available drop-down menu. I'm going to select the option called Fit to Selected Art. This will keep our exported file to the exact size of the selected objects or art. Now we'll go to the main menu, select File, look below midway for the option named Export, and then Export as. Next, you'll select the location that you'd like to save your file to. I want to export the size of my artboard, so I'll check off the option. You can leave it unchecked if you prefer. This won't affect the file beyond its dimensions. Now we'll click Export. A new dialog window will pop up. We're going to make sure that the resolution is set to at minimum 300. I suggest if you're exporting smaller dimension files with very fine details, you can select the option called Other. Then you can custom enter in your resolution to double, triple, or quadruple the 300 minimum. This will allow you to print small but detailed artwork without losing quality. For now, I'm going to use 300 for the resolution. For my anti-aliasing option, I'm going to select the option None. The other available options will introduce blurring of your edge pixels, which you do not want. I do not want a background applied to my art, so I'm going to select the option labeled Transparent, and then I'll click the OK button to export the file. Keep in mind the quality of the raster-based bitmaps of your art solely depend on how they're prepared prior to this export process. We offer that as a separate service for artwork that needs advanced help. I hope this helps you, and thanks for watching.